Hi everyone, welcome to Paper Closet and to my studio. I'm going to put some videos together today. I have some new cards available and I want to show you a couple of different techniques. Now this is a shutter card. I don't have the belly band or anything on it, and I'll do another video showing you how to assemble this and all the different options that are available, all the different cards that I've made. But all of my shutter cards come with handwritten sentiments on the inside. They also come with a blank sentiment, so you can stamp or write your own, but they all come with also this handwritten sentiment. And I want to show you today how to put those together, or how to open them up using your Silhouette or your Cricut. So let's go ahead and get started. Right, so I am in Silhouette. I'm actually using the Designer Edition so that I can show you how to open up the print and cut files, and then I will show you how to do it if you don't have Design Edition and you're working in the Standard Edition. So here is my basic shutter card file. It's already opened and ready to go. You'll notice that right up here I have a blank sentiment so that you can type your own or handwrite one, stamp it, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to just select this and move it off to the side of the mat for a minute. And then we're going to come up to File and we're going to go to Merge. Merge will open up your files on the same cutting area or drawing area that you are already at. So we're going to go back up here and I'm going to find my print and cuts. And for this card, I think because we're doing back to school, I'm going to do the #1 teacher print and cut, and I'm going to open it up. And it's right there and it's ready to go. So to print and cut this, I would come over to my page setting window. I'm going to change the size down here to letter because my printer is a letter size. And then I'm going to come up to my registration marks. I'm going to turn them on. And then the last thing I'll need to do is just move this little print and cut image so that it's not on the red lines or in those hash marks. And then I will simply send it to my printer. Once it's printed, I'll lay it on the mat exactly like it shows, and then hit send. And I'm not set up, so I'm not ready to do it. But then you can just go ahead and send it. Of course, I changed my setting to cardstock, whatever. I'm working on some vinyl right now, but it's ready to go. So let's go back, and that is how super easy it is to do print and cut if you have Design Edition or above. But let's switch over here to I'm still on Design Edition, but this will work if you are with the Standard or the Basic Edition. So I have opened up my same file. This time I opened it up as a GSD because you'll remember from previous videos that if you're working with Basic Edition, it does not open up the SVG file. It opens up GSD or DXF. So I'm working with the GSD file right now. And it's all right there on my mat. It's got the perforation lines, the guidelines for your placements, and it's all ready to go, just like it was with the SVG files. So I'm going to select everything and I'm going to slide it off the mat. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to File and Merge again because I want to open it up on this window. And this time, let's do, well, first we need to go up and get the PNG. And this time, just for something different, let's do Hooray. I'm going to open it up, and there is my PNG. Now, if I slide it over, you'll notice that it does have the white background. You can't see it on the mat because the mat is white also. So all I'm going to do to turn this into a print and cut is I'm going to select my Hooray. I'm going to hold my Shift key, and I'm also going to select my blank sentiment. I'm going to come up here to my Align, and I'm going to center those. I'm going to group it. And then just like before, I'm going to change my well, let's turn our registration marks on. And then I'm going to change this again to letter because that's the printer that I'm using. And now it is ready to be done as a print and cut, just like before when I was using the SVG files. So what's the difference between a PNG and a print and cut? A PNG is just the image. So if I were to bring this back over here and ungroup it, you'll notice that the PNG is just the image. On this other one, when I was working in Design Edition and I opened up the print and cut, the print and cut is actually a PNG merged with an SVG. And so that's why it will only open in your Design Edition or above. Then you're just going to go ahead and cut it out and assemble your card. I have another video showing you how to assemble all of these shutter cards, and you're ready to go. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you'll click subscribe down below so that you don't miss any of my videos, and I will have a link for the cards that you can purchase either at my Etsy shop, Paper Closet Designs, or you can pick up most of them at my Scrap Chick. Thanks for joining me today.